Hello everyone, this is Mr. V from Simple Trade, and today we have a new ticker by the name of KATX. This one is a custodian play, so let's see what happened on June 3rd, what caused this huge volume right here. So if we go to Twitter, we can see that on June 3rd, Acropolis Capital Partners, they said that after they failed the negotiations with the management, they decided to file a custodianship petition in Nevada for KATX. They failed their fiduciary responsibility to their shareholders, and they hope to obtain it through the custodianship and restore the faith and confidence in the shareholders. That's what they said, Acropolis. So basically, this is what caused this huge volume right here. And from that day on until this very day, they kept updating the shareholders through Twitter on all the procedures, all the filings, and as you can see, people kept accumulating and buying shares. So if you got in from the first day right here and kept the shares till now, it's more than 358%, 350%. And let's see what I said on Twitter, what really happened through all these weeks. So they said on June 19th that although they had previously executed an agreement with the former management to control of KATX, they felt it's best to continue with the petition. This was to help to expedite the OTC markets access and ensuring cooperation from the transfer agent. So they kept on moving forward, and on June 30, they said that they like to inform the shareholders of KATX and another ticker that they have received an invoice from OTC markets and they paid in full everything for the entire year. So this is the ticker I want to talk to you about today. So as you can see, it's kept going up. I don't know if it will keep going up more, but this is a custodian play basically. So if you want more tickers, if you like the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and of course join us at our Discord community Simple Trade to get more tickers and more trading ideas. See you next time.